Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to stop Twitter videos from autoplaying. Log into your Twitter account. Click on your profile picture in the top right of the website, and then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to General on the bottom left, click Data Usage, click Video Autoplay and check the Never box if not checked already. Now videos will not start playing until you click on them. On Android, open the Twitter app. And tap the profile image. Tap Settings and Privacy. Tap down to Data Usage in the General Settings. Tap down to Video Autoplay and choose Never. Now videos will only play after you tap them. On iOS, open the Twitter app and tap the profile image. Tap Settings and Privacy, tap down to Data Usage in the General Settings, tap Video Autoplay and choose Never. Now videos will only play after you tap them. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.